An example of the legendary American motorcycle brand's ongoing tradition and inventive spirit is the 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide. This model distinguishes itself in the touring motorbike sector by combining cutting-edge technology and design enhancements with the essence of the open road. The Road Glide is recognized for its distinctive shark nose fairing, which is carried over into the 2024 model with a few minor upgrades. The bike's aerodynamic shape improves wind protection and stability at high speeds in addition to improving its aesthetic appeal. The redesigned color palette and streamlined bodywork give a modern, fresh vibe, while the new LED headlights improve lighting and add a contemporary touch. Road Glide riders may modify their vehicle with a range of personalization choices offered by Harley Davidson. With options ranging from paint jobs to personalized handlebars and seats, the 2024 model guarantees that any rider can design a bike that perfectly captures their individual style. The powerful Milwaukee 8117 engine, which produces remarkable torque and seamless acceleration, is the engine of the 2024 Road Glide. Long-distance touring is made possible by the power and efficiency that this 1923cc engine is designed to provide. The bike handles really well, even when loaded, and has a very crisp throttle response. The chassis of the Road Glide has been modified for improved handling and stability. On a range of terrains, the new suspension system with its updated front forks and superior shocks offers a smooth and controlled ride. When driving on a freeway or through narrow back streets, the Road Glide maintains its composure and responsiveness. Comfort is a top priority for touring bikes, and the 2024 Road Glide leads the pack in this area. Long trips become less taxing thanks to the superior support provided by ergonomically built chairs. By placing the handlebars in a natural riding stance, the rider's back and shoulders are put under the least amount of stress. The sophisticated entertainment system is one of the best features. A blast! A high-resolution touchscreens, built-in navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and Bluetooth connectivity are all included with the Box GTS infotainment system. The travel is considerably more pleasurable thanks to this technology, which keeps passengers interested and connected. The roomy saddlebags on the Road Glide are another feature that offers enough of storage and are simple to reach and lock. Bicycles are an economical option for extended travel because of their backpack's vast capacity to hold both personal belongings and necessary equipment. The 2024 Road Glide boasts a number of cutting-edge safety features from Harley Davidson. Tire pressure monitoring, ABS cornering, and traction control are all part of the Reflex defensive rider systems. Together, these technologies improve rider safety and confidence, particularly in difficult riding environments. Additionally, the bike has electronic cruise control, which is really helpful for lengthy journeys. There is less need for frequent throttle changes when using the cruise control system, which is simple to operate and helps maintain a steady pace. The 2024 Road Glide has a strong engine, yet it still gets decent fuel economy. The motorcycle's big gasoline tank and effective powertrain offer riders a wide range that enables them to go great distances between gas stops. This is particularly helpful when traveling, as there might not be many possibilities for refilling. A fantastic fusion of contemporary tech and traditional design can be found in the 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide. It satisfies the demands of touring aficionados with its cutting-edge technology, strong performance, and outstanding comfort. This motorcycle's design incorporates modern aspects that add to its attractiveness while staying faithful to its historical background. Whether you've always loved Harley Davidson or just getting started, the 2024 Road Glide presents an alluring package that's difficult to pass up. It is a strong competitor in the touring motorcycle industry thanks to its excellent mix of performance, looks, and utility. Harley Davidson maintains its reputation as a manufacturer of motorbikes that capture the essence of adventure and freedom with the Road Glide. This 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide is an experience as much as a motorbike. It is a valuable addition to any rider's garage since it offers a ton of amazing rides.